Hi, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of the show. And I'm your host, David Angway, and I'm the host of the Driven Today podcast. And that you can go ahead and listen to the Spotify and the Apple Podcasts, Stitcher, and Amazon Music very soon. Okay, so from the last video, we've discussed why I don't use proposal selling. So if you're a brand new financial advisor, I highly recommend you go ahead and simply watch the full navigation of a certain life insurance calculator. So this is actually a really good example wherein I do some presentation. I'm using this calculator as well just to at least analyze the needs, of your potential clients. And I hope you can go ahead and simply tune in directly until the end so that you'll be able to practice your skills in terms of providing life insurance coverage. All right, so I'll go ahead and show it to you exactly how you can go ahead and make some computation. All right, and here it is. All right, so we're currently here on the Sun Life uh, website, and we'll check the calculator itself. Okay, click natin yung portion na yan. Okay. Ayan. Okay. So, let's check. And the good thing about this calculator is, at least within the next 2 minutes, you'll be able to identify exactly kung how much talaga yung iyong kailangan. So, I want you to look at it right now, okay, while it's currently loading. Yan. Okay. So as you can see, meron tayong insurance calculator. I want you to focus on this one. Okay, so meron tayong limang questions. And I'd like you to focus on the first question, which is monthly household expense. If and when you need to really have an insurance coverage, kailangan at least kahit papano, um, if ikaw mawala, okay, as much as possible, makarecover yung family mo. Because if you're a breadwinner, sobrang hirap niyan. Okay, sino na magbabayad na mismong monthly household expense? If you're single, then you also need to consider the fact that even though you are single, wala ka pang mismong wife or husband or spouse or partner, then make sure na meron ka pa ring safety buffer for this one. And that's the main reason why we need to discuss the household expense. So usually, the Filipinos will have 20,000 monthly household expense. Let's go directly with the next one, which is how much is your current savings? So why do we need to go ahead and compute this? Okay? Ito, i-include mo to dahil ano ba yung meron ka right now? Okay? As we speak. So let's say for example, meron kang 100,000 in the bank. Okay? We need to make sure na i-include mo rin yan. Okay? Oh, by the way, may nagtatanong, what if meron akong mga pinautang and hindi na babalik? Well, don't include that one anymore. After yung mismong savings, may nagtatanong, Dave, how should I put this one? Merong mga nangutang sa akin, kaso nga lang hindi pa nagbabayad. Pero magbabayad naman sila, alam ko naman yon. Well, ilagay mo. Okay? Ilagay mo. Alright? Pero kung alam mong hindi na magbabayad yung friend mo, okay, please don't put it na. Alright? So, that's the next. So, let's go directly with the next option, which is how much are your total investments. So, why is this very important? Because unang-una sa lahat, ano ba naman yung naipundar mo? Meron ka na bang bahay, lupa, lote, whatsoever? Ilagay mo yung market value. What is the market value? Market value, kung fair market value niya. Kung magkano ba talaga yung value niyan right now, as of today. Okay? Kung meron kang stocks, mutual funds, ilagay mo dyan. Kunwari, let's say for example, meron ka lang 20,000. Okay? Not bad. Okay? As long as meron, that's gonna be fine. Pero kung wala, ilagay mo zero. Huwag mo lukuhin yung sarili mo. Alright? So, next is how much is your insurance coverage? Naku, paano kapag wala pa? Ano lang to sa akin ng mismong aking employer. Okay? Well, I highly recommend na you don't include that one. Okay? Kasi anytime aalis ka sa employer mo or kung nanonood ka and isa kang millennial, usually ang isang millennial happens to stay in a certain location for about 3 years. And then after that, they move. Okay, so what's in it for you if you are asking about it? Then, try to include lang kung ano yung meron ka talaga. Kung wala, edi zero. Walang problema. Especially if this is your starting point pa lang. Okay? Next is how much is your current liabilities. If your liabilities is currently mga around, kunwari, credit card. Okay? Meron tayong mga nakausap, may 200,000 na liabilities. It's gonna be fine. So, you still need to include that. And then, lagyan natin calculate the results. Okay? Tingnan natin Okay. Here we go. Check natin. And within the next 2 minutes, okay, usually less than 2 minutes lang to, you will be able to see exactly kung how much ba talaga yung coverage na kailangan mo. Ito na! Alright. So, basically, we're done. Okay? Pero we'll just go ahead and explain this one. Okay? So, yung existing coverage mo, okay, yung 120, it came from your mismong savings and investments. Okay? Kasi that's gonna be your buffer. Right? Pero, yung additional coverage mo, as much as possible, is at least 2.9 million pesos because without this 2.9, you will end up losing your ability. Okay? Kasi ang tawag nito, sobrang valuable mo directly to your family. Plus, meron kang monthly household expense. And that's the main reason why it's according here, okay, life insurance is something you rarely get for yourself. You get insured in order to benefit your loved ones. So, rule of thumb, okay, you should be covered at least 10 times of your annual income. So, I hope, okay, na you learn something new by looking at how you should be covering yourself, okay, at the end of the day. Kasi mahirap na wala kang magandang coverage or enough yung coverage mo. Okay? So, that's it for me. If you do have questions or new learnings or you appreciate this one directly, okay, go ahead and share this one directly to your fellow advisors or ikaw mismo na you're looking for a life insurance, then what's in it for you after mo makita ito? Well, go ahead and look for a financial advisor that you can trust and simply ask them, okay, for a particular quotation that's regarding directly to what you've learned. Okay? So, I hope na if you do have any other concerns, okay, feel free to leave a comment and ask me certain questions. Alright, so that's it for me. My name again is David Angway. I'm the host of the Driven Today podcast, and thank you again for tuning in directly to this YouTube episode. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe.